Loom is a popular video communication platform used for screen recording and messaging. A key feature is the ability to blur parts of your video, protecting sensitive information such as personal data or proprietary content. This video will guide you through blurring in Loom, covering screen recording effects and privacy tips. We'll explore how to use this feature effectively to keep your recordings safe and professional. To blur a video in Loom, begin a new recording in the Loom app or web interface. During recording, look for the effects icon, which resembles a magic wand. Click this icon and then select Blur from the menu. A rectangular blur area will appear, which you can drag and resize over the sensitive content you wish to hide. You can also adjust the blur intensity, choosing between options like light, medium, or heavy via the settings. Loom offers two main types of blurring: static and dynamic. Static blur is used for fixed areas, such as text or images that don't move on the screen. Dynamic blur, on the other hand, is designed to track moving elements, like a cursor passing over sensitive data. Loom's tracking technology makes dynamic blur useful for demos or tutorials where information is revealed gradually. Choosing the right type of blur depends on what you are trying to conceal and how it is displayed on screen. Loom's AI-powered auto blur feature uses machine learning to automatically detect and suggest areas for blurring, such as email addresses, credit card numbers, or faces. This reduces manual effort and helps ensure that sensitive information is not accidentally exposed. The AI-driven enhancements make the blurring process more intuitive and automated. Loom's blurring feature is fully supported on various platforms, including web browsers, desktop applications for macOS and Windows, and mobile apps for iOS and Android. This ensures a consistent blurring experience across all your devices. The mobile update includes gesture-based blur selection for easier on-the-go recording, allowing you to protect your privacy wherever you are. Always blur personally identifiable information, PII, such as names, addresses, or financial details to comply with regulations like GDPR or CCPA. Use blurring during live demos to protect intellectual property, such as API keys or database schemas. Combine blurring with Loom's pause and resume feature to manually review and blur content before finalizing your recording. For teams, enable organizational settings to enforce mandatory blurring on shared workspaces, ensuring consistent privacy practices. Loom integrates with popular privacy tools like LastPass, allowing seamless blurring of stored credentials during software demonstrations. This partnership enables automatic protection of sensitive information, such as passwords and login details, without manual intervention. In practice, when recording a demo in Loom, the integration automatically blurs credentials as you access them through LastPass. This ensures comprehensive privacy protection during presentations and software showcases, making the process user-friendly and secure. By combining with existing privacy tools, Loom offers a more comprehensive solution for protecting sensitive data in all your video recordings. The trend in video recording tools emphasizes AI and privacy, with Loom leading in user-friendly implementations. Expect to see more AI-assisted privacy features and AR/VR integrations where blurring adapts to 3D spaces. Predictive blurring based on user behavior patterns may also emerge, potentially reducing privacy errors significantly. These advancements will continue to enhance privacy and security for video communication.